welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Today we are going to making a Frappuccino! I just wanted to make it a surprise. So we are going to be using some milk and some vanilla. Here's a vanilla and a cup of some ice cubes. We got a blender and we got some natural sugar right here. And we, as you can't really see, there's like a little thing. And yeah, these are all the ingredients that we're gonna be using today for a Frappuccino. And shout out to Tia Maddie. She's my aunt, and she made this for me. Love you, Tia Maddie, if you're watching this. And so this is how to make your vanilla bean Frappuccino at home, and you save money. So this is a perfect top off. So first we're gonna add some ice in the blender. That was loud. Now we're gonna add some milk in our cup and then pour it out. Okay. We're gonna do it all the way, guys. That's good. Oh, and by the way, we have this kind of milk, but you can use any type of milk that you want. I kind of made a mess, but it's okay. At least we have a rag. So you're gonna want to add half a teaspoon of vanilla, so let's add it. By the way, all the ingredients my mom will link down below. Smells so good. Now we are gonna pour it. Now we are gonna mix. And by the way, you can't drink this. Even though it smells good, doesn't mean that you can't drink it. You can drink it in the shake, just you can't drink it like just in a bottle. No, that's bad. Always ask an adult to help you. I'm gonna do a half a teaspoon of natural sugar. And by the way, this is not bad sugar for you. This is good sugar. I'm just trying to clean up a little. Always help your mom. She works very hard on everything, and you should always help her. Now let's pour it in. Wait, first let's see how it smells. It smells good. Now let's pour it. Woo! That was fun. Then you turn. There we go. Now we press the number 2. That's better. Now, number 3. Make sure to get it very good. Now it's time to pour in our cup. And now we're done with the blender. Yay! That was loud, very loud. Probably couldn't hear me, but. Oh, okay. That's how you get it off. And voila! Now we're gonna have just a nice taste test for the whipped cream. Look, not yet. Tricked you. I'm just kidding. I'll be right back. 1 sec with the whipped cream. So, hi guys, I'm back. And now we're gonna make the whipped cream. Yay! Again. So first, you're gonna add, and you need some heavy cream, this much. A teaspoon of vanilla. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's add it. That is so cool. Now we're gonna do half a teaspoon of natural sugar. Let's pour it. 1 second. Okay, there. Oh my, that's so cool. Now we're gonna whisk it with a tiny whisk. Let's whisk. Alright guys, we are back. That was a long time. Keep whipping. Smells very good. Okay, now we are gonna pour it in here. Well, not pour, just like put it, I think like this. This is a Frappuccino, healthy, good, probably is gonna be amazing. Frappuccino, homemade, DIY, how to make a Frappuccino at home. Now let's taste test. Okay, I wanna record it because I want you guys to see my reaction. That was the best thing ever! Thumbs up. I gotta go, guys. I'm gonna enjoy my drink. So, guys, this is my final result. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Have a vanilla bean Frappuccino. Hey, love you. Thanks for watching.